Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 84 Mumbai, 25 paise UNC condition 100. 75 Mumbai, Dabbo coin 100. Nehru Hindi legend, Mumbai mint 100. Nehru English legend, Mumbai mint 200 rupees each. UNC condition 82 Dabbo coin, Mumbai 200. Commonwealth Games, Noida mint BU condition 200. Hyderabad mint BU condition, this also 200 rupees each. UNC condition Noida mint cellular gel 500. 84 Mumbai and 85 Mumbai, these are scarce coin, only for 300 rupees set. 82 Mumbai 100. 86 Mumbai 100. 88 Mumbai 100 rupees each. 71 Mumbai 100. 72 Mumbai 100. 73 Mumbai 100. These are UNC. 95 BU Noida mint 100 rupees. 2003 Hyderabad mint BU condition 100. 2002 BU Noida mint, very scarce coin 300. Food and Shelter Mumbai mint BU 300. Happy Child Mumbai mint UNC 200. Gandhi Mumbai mint UNC condition 200. Happy Child Kolkata mint UNC condition 200. Happy Child Mumbai mint BU condition 200 rupees each. Food and Shelter Mumbai mint UNC condition 300. BU Kolkata mint Water for Life 300. Rural Women Mumbai mint UNC condition 200. Rural Women Kolkata mint UNC condition 200. Railways Mumbai BU 200. Asian Games Kolkata mint UNC condition 100. Fisheries Hyderabad mint UNC condition only for 200 rupees each. Subhash Chandra Bose Kolkata mint BU 200. 82 Dabbo coin UNC condition 200. Louis Bailey BU Mumbai mint 100 rupees. Small Farmer BU Mumbai mint 300. Biodiversity Mumbai BU 400. Small Family BU Mumbai mint 500. International Year of the Family Mumbai mint UNC 300, very scarce coin. Rural Women Hyderabad mint BU 500. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai mint 1 rupee, this is a UNC condition 300. Tamil Conference Noida mint BU, very scarce coin, only 600. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj UNC condition Noida mint 300. 1990 Noida mint UNC condition 300. Dabbo coin Mumbai mint 1982, 200. Sant Tukaram, Noida Mint, BU condition, 400. 67, 10 paise, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, this is a rare coin, 500. BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, only for 400. Care for girl child, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, 500. Dadabhai Nauroji, Hyderabad Mint, AUNC condition, 500. 1960, Mumbai Mint, AUNC condition. This coin is very difficult to get. This coin not so easily available. You can see AUNC plus condition. You can see only for 400. Quit India Movement, Hyderabad Mint, 500. Quit India Movement, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 400. If you want the set, you can take for 800 rupees today. Cellular Jail, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 400. Subhash Chandra Bose, Hyderabad Mint, AUNC condition, see the luster, 500 rupees each. ILO, Noida Mint, AUNC condition, 300. Youth Year, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 600. Reinfed Farming, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, 300. Arbindo, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 300. Nehru, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 300. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, 500. Shastri Ji, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 400. UNC condition, Subhash Chandra Bose, Hyderabad Mint, 900. Food for Future, Kolkata Mint, UNC, clear face, you can see, 800. Mother's Health, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 1200. Hyderabad Mint, Mother's Health, AUNC condition, 500. Hyderabad Mint, Mother's Health, UNC condition, 1600. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, AUNC condition, 900. 50 years of United Nations, Mumbai Mint, AUNC condition, 500. See the clear line. ILO, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 800. See the golden luster. 59 Mumbai Mint and 59 Kolkata Mint, 200 rupees each. Nehru, this is a mule coin, this is lion side mule, rare coin, this is from Mumbai Mint, see the different lion, only for 500, UNC condition, see the condition. Youth Year, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 500. Railways, BU condition, Noida Mint, 300. ILO, Hyderabad Mint, AUNC condition, 500. Tamil Conference, AUNC condition, Mumbai Mint, this is a single mint coin, See all the clear legends. Only for 500 rupees each. Have two here. 500 each. UNC condition. Food for Future, Hyderabad Mint. 800. Food for Future, Kolkata Mint, UNC. 1000. This is A line variety and a top condition. Noida Mint, 94. See the luster and clear line. You can see the clear line. 1200. And one is there for 900. This also clear line. You can see, and with the luster also here. This is for 1200 and this is for 900 rupees. You can click the picture. This is 900. This is 1200. $50 years United Nations Noida Mint, UNC condition. 800. ILO UNC condition Noida Mint. 800. Hyderabad Mint, Agriculture, UNC condition. 1200. AUNC condition, Tamil Conference, Noida Mint. 900. K. Kamaraj, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition. 400. AUNC condition, 1954 Kolkata Mint, half rupee. 500. 69 Mumbai Mint, UNC. 200. 67 Mumbai. 200. 63 Mumbai. 200. 62 Mumbai. This is a ghost image one. You can see the ghost image here. 500. You can see heavy ghost image is there. 61 Mumbai Mint. 200. 62 Kolkata Mint, single mint coin, UNC condition. 1400. This is inside a sleeves. Quarter rupee. 43 Kolkata Mint, UNC. 800. 2 annas, 1910 Kolkata Mint. 1200. Clear details. Patel Noida Mint with the clear dot mint mark, you can check. Only for 800. This is also clear mint mark. This is for 700. 1947 UNC condition, Lahore Mint. 1800. Water for Life, Mumbai Mint. This is B lion, rare lion variety. This is UNC condition. See the clear mint mark also there. Mumbai Mint. Only for 1800. Half rupee. 36 Kolkata Mint. 1100. Quit India Movement, BU condition, Kolkata Mint. 800. 61 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. 200. 60 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. 200. This is Kolkata Mint, 25 pieces. 67 Kolkata. 200. 64 Kolkata. 200. 62 Kolkata. 200. 61 Kolkata. 200. 60 Kolkata. 200. UNC condition, 1920 Mumbai Mint. See the luster. Only 2000 rupees Mumbai Mint. One more is there. This is a Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. This also for 2000 rupees. not very easily available in this condition. 2000 is very reasonable rate, I'm giving it away. 1943 Mumbai Mint, 1200. Half rupee 30 Kolkata Mint, 2800. AUNC type of condition this is. You can see 1915 Kolkata Mint, 2200. Clear head, you can see. And one more is there. This is 1915 Kolkata Mint, but this is a UNC condition. This is a disc effect. This is for 4500 rupees. Continuous Legend 1840 AUNC condition, 2600. 44 Lahore Mint UNC condition, 1400. Here the Lahore Mint, you can check. 44 Mumbai Mint UNC condition. This is only for 1200. 25th anniversary Mumbai Mint, 10 rupees, 2800. It's a BU condition. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai Mint BU condition, 2100. Noida Mint Tamil Conference, plain edge UNC condition, you can see, but only one small dot is there. But this I am giving it only for 500 only. Normal only I sell for 600. You can see this same condition, 600. Plain edge, this is 500. Vallabhbhai Patel sharp edge, you can say early strike, only for 500 rupees with the proper mint mark. You can check, no dent damage, 500 rupees. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj UNC condition, sharp edge, see, only for 500. See the hexagon Shivaji Maharaj. Aurobindo, this also sharp edge. This is also 500. Actually these two Noida Mint set for 1000 rupees and these two for 1000 rupees. If someone wants to buy single, I won't give. This set and this set you have to take. Lion variety and some date variety, 2 rupees cross coin, date set, you can see 2006. Just trying to show small date and big date. You can check, only for 200 rupees. Basveshwara lion set, 300 rupees. '82 Mumbai Mint, 1 rupee. This is a border, border, you can see thicker border and thinner border, large denticle and small denticles you call it. See here, these denticles are in this border and see on this border, only for 300 rupees, like normal coin set I am giving it. Water for Life lion set, extra fine condition, only for 600 rupees. This I just kept it just like that only to, this is actually free only charging for this, 600 rupees set. This is a A lion, normal lion, and this is a V lion, rare lion variety, extra fine condition, only for 600 rupees. Somebody wanted cheaper rate one, so I bought it. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.